Harland Light Railway. Behind me there, you can see a viaduct. Now, the viaduct is an integral part of this layout. It was specifically designed to draw the eye across towards it from a number of different places. In order to make it, I had to put bridges on the higher level track, and I've done a video about how I did that. This one is about the viaduct. It's something I'm very pleased with, and I do hope you'll enjoy seeing how I made it. And I'll speak to you at the end. I like to keep things simple and as cheap as possible. So in my local craft shop, I can buy matchsticks and lollipop sticks, £1 a bag each. And I've used these for my viaduct as well as my bridges. So I'm making it using matchsticks and cut down lolly sticks. Also got some fencing here. Is a solid fence with a base, and it's laser cut wood, and it has the advantage of being freestanding. So that's going to make the edges. I'm also going to paint it. So I'll just show you quickly how I make these. Cut the ends off the lolly sticks, and I've started to stick the matchsticks on. Line of Bostik along the edge of the matchstick before. Matchstick in place. Colours. Now, this is one that I use all the time, but there's 3 different browns: a darker brown, a medium brown and a lighter brown. And I will simply get the texture and the feel of old wood that's been there for quite a long time using my paints and my brushes. They don't take long to do. This is just to show you how many I had to put together. Some of them were darker matchsticks for some reason. When I painted them, I added a little bit of antique white just to lift the look of the wood and weather them. And I kept measuring it just to make sure it would fit. The stone piers are plaster cast moulds, but I bought them ready cast from eBay, and I really like these because you get a good texture and they're paintable. I tried them in place, toned them down a bit because I decided the colour wasn't quite right for what I wanted, and I measured and stuck them down because there is a road that goes off through the middle piers which are slightly further apart. Anchored them in place using household filler, which fills gaps as well. I hope you found this video informative, useful, got some good ideas from it. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, share it, give it a thumbs up, make a comment. All of this helps me to know that people are watching my videos and that they would like to see more of them. And if that's the case, I will keep making them for you. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.